So, what's up? Today I'll basically show you guys my analysis for today and what I basically do every single morning on the trading days. So, basically at this moment it's 4:27, so way too early to trade. But I simply just wake up, do my morning analysis, and then come back to the charts when it's almost market open, like 1 hour or 1 hour and a half before market open. Do it all again, see if my levels are still the same, if some levels got taken, if new things got created, etc. Yeah, you guys know the thing. So basically, what I do is go on a daily tab, um, check for SMTs. There are none, but as you can see, we have like this very strange volume imbalance right here and also here. But to be honest, I don't think I'll do anything with it because basically it happens very often and that it doesn't retrace. For example, right here, it didn't retrace yet, but I'm still bullish, so I won't take any shorts today. We're at all-time highs. I mean, you can short, but it's up to you. I basically size down. I go to the 4 hour chart and then just check for confluences. I hate ES because it's like mini futures. So basically, fuck this. I only look for S&Ts on that. So as you can see on this 4 hour chart, we have this volume imbalance. We have fair value gaps. Uh, Not a BP. Yeah, you could say BPR, but we're talking about millimeters. So with fair value gaps, I mostly yeah, most of the times only mark the bottom of a bearish fair value gap instead of like this whole thing. So I just mark the bottom and I do the same with a bearish fair value gap. I mark the top and I just say what our fair value gap. And I trade off that with another level combined. So as you can see, I marked this one on the 4 hours. Um, if someone asks if this is a rejection block, just shut the fuck up, because it ain't. Um, so I yeah, this ain't. I go to the 1 hour chart, do the same thing, see it's still the same volume imbalance as the 4 hours. Of course, you see this um, BPR. So I marked it 1 hour BPR. Rejection block. You could say this has a nice weekend potential, but it didn't reject off of anything. Then you could say, yeah, but liquidity. As you can see, this down closed candle swept this liquidity, and uh, this liquidity also got swept by the down closed candle, and then this we haven't swept that yet, so no, it's not a rejection block, and it didn't reject from a PD array like a fair value gap or some shit. So it's basically invalid, so it's not a rejection block. As you can see, the 4 hour mark, volume imbalance, BPR, 1 hour. As you can see, I also marked the 45-minute BPR, same shit, not a rejection block, nothing. Also not at the top, all-time high, so can be. As you can see, still the same volume imbalance. Um, yeah, I don't see anything. And I'm bullish, by the way, so I'm only looking for longs. Also not really liquidity, you can say that's the only liquidity we have. Also this on the downside, I mean. Uh, so mm, yeah, we have this, but fuck that. Same goes for this order block inside these fair value gaps, so that only confirms my level. BPR 45 minutes, also 30 minutes. I didn't mark it because it's basically the same as a 45 minutes. It's just in these two. and if I mark it, it's like going to be dead as too much. So what we have here also is previous day midnight open, this black line for you guys. By the way, this is the indicator. It's very useful. So I'm also not going to like mark this bottom of the 30-minute fair value gap. Just it's this level. And some of you guys might be like wondering, um, what level do I choose? Yeah, that's a very good question. So I also marked this standard deviation. A really useful tip I learned is when you're marking it and you mark it on the 15-minute chart, and you can see like it's not clean. It lines perfectly with this volume imbalance, the -2, but it's not a clean leg. So what you can do is just simply size down, go to the 5 minutes, check if it's clean. If it's not clean, go to the 3 minutes, not 2 minutes. And then just mark it like that. As you can see, it's still like session hasn't closed yet, so I can't really properly mark a standard deviation, but at the moment it's like a AMD standard deviation. So when price consolidates here, when price consolidates, after that we have this accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution to the opposite side. So you just simply mark the manipulation leg. So with that said, my levels are this volume imbalance, but I don't want to take a trade off of that alone. I will wait for another standard deviation that might line up with it, and then I might take the trade. I don't know yet. 4-hour fair value gap, won't take a trade of that. This is level I'm interested in, so like around 506. You guys might wonder, we have this 50-minute BPR, 30-minute BPR, 45-minute, 1 hour, this, that. Which one do I take? Do I take the CE? Do I take the bottom? Do I take the top? One simple answer to your guys' question is simply use Bookmap. Simply use order flow, and you will see at what level a lot of buy limits are. If you want to take this 45-minute BPR, just check for the level 489.50. If there are a lot of buy limits there, just simply go for it. So I simply do that, and that's it for right now. I would just want to wait to see this volume imbalance get filled, and also to get to this level, and then I take long to all-time highs probably, but like trail my SL. Um, yeah, so just something like 10 point stop loss, something like that to get it, and just target all-time highs and trail your SL, so you get like 1.5k profit, or yeah. So basically that's it for today, and I'll tap in with you guys later.